Are you looking to streamline your SMS and email marketing campaigns? Integrating Klaviyo with Magento 2 can unify your customer data and automate your marketing efforts. Klaviyo seamlessly integrates with Magento and Adobe Commerce stores. It captures all historical and current customer data for more effective marketing. Klaviyo's robust data infrastructure captures real-time customer data, integrating seamlessly with your entire tech stack for detailed insights and better marketing outcomes. Send personalized messages across multiple channels, including email, SMS, mobile push, and forms, ensuring consistent and engaging communication with your customers. Leverage machine learning and AI tools like one product recommendations and predictive analytics to create personalized marketing strategies. What are the top Klaviyo extensions for Magento 2 stores? Plum Rocket Magento newsletter pop-up lets store owners increase subscriber signups with customizable pop-ups. With BootsGrid Klaviyo Magento 2 extension, you can sync data in real time for accurate customer insights. Zapier Klaviyo integration automates workflows between Klaviyo and Magento 2 with custom triggers and pre-built templates, requiring no coding skills. By choosing MagePlaza Klaviyo integration service, you get a quick setup, comprehensive support, data migration, and customized solutions. We hope you found this guide to Klaviyo Magento 2 integration helpful. Like this video and subscribe for more insights.